So we did this to a workbench at work that we built to give it kind of a little bit of a flair, I would say. I had this old workbench that I have been dealing with for a while and I want to build a new one, but I figured I'd try it on this one and live with it for a couple months before I build a new one, see if I like it. So I went and picked up a torch kit, which my torch kit is broke, so we got a new one. You can pick this up at any hardware store or pretty much anywhere. I'll leave a link in the description if you just want to order one, or you can just go to the hardware store and pick it up yourself. Once you pull it out of the box, you just screw the nozzle onto the top of it. Make sure it's nice and tight, and once it's tight, turn on the gas, and you get a flame. So we're going to take this and we're going to kind of run it along the wood and just kind of burn it. There's really no science to it. It's actually kind of artsy. So just burn it as much as you want and experiment with it and play around with it. So we'll do it and see how it looks. So I'm going to start here and we'll work our way across. And like I said, you can vary this depending on how dark or how light you actually want it. The more you hit it, the more it's actually going to darken non-green, and it's kind of just your preference on what you want to do. There, it's a pretty quick and easy way to dress up your workbench in your garage a little bit without painting it like the cabinets or whatnot. Like I said, I'm going to live with this for a little while before I build a new workbench and see if I like it. And you can sand this down so you get a smoother finish, and then after you burn it, throw some lacquer or some kind of finish over top of it so it's a little more glossy. So it's up to you, give it a shot. The torch kit was only like $25. So it's worth a shot just to give it a try and play around with it at least. You could do this for anything that is just a plain wood finish for furniture or whatnot, even if you do it for like a nightstand. I think it'd look pretty cool for that too. So if you would, give this video a like and go get yourself a torch kit and see what you can do.